Hello, I'm Dr. Eleanor Vance, and today we're revisiting essential practices for natural back pain relief. These simple, daily routines can significantly improve your comfort and mobility. Let's begin by recapping some effective stretches designed to release tension in your lower back. Remember, consistency is key. Even a few minutes each day can make a profound difference. Next, we'll focus on posture correction, a fundamental aspect of preventing and alleviating back discomfort. Maintaining a neutral spine throughout your day reduces strain on your vertebral discs and muscles. Whether standing or sitting, consciously align your ears over your shoulders and your shoulders over your hips. Finally, let's engage our core muscles, which act as a natural corset for your spine. Simple exercises like pelvic tilts or gentle abdominal contractions can strengthen this vital support system. These movements don't need to be strenuous. Focus on controlled, mindful engagement. Remember, natural relief is truly possible when you commit to these practices daily. Make these stretches, posture corrections, and core engagements a regular part of your routine. Your back will thank you for the consistent care and attention.
Today, we'll explore stretches to alleviate lower back pain, helping you find comfort. Let's begin with a seated forward bend, stretching your lower back and hamstrings. Sit tall, legs extended, hinge forward from hips, reaching toes, back straight. Hold 15 seconds, breathing deeply. Feel the stretch along spine and legs. Next, we'll try a torso twist to improve spinal mobility and release tension. Place one hand behind you, the other on your opposite knee, then gently twist. Keep movement slow, holding 15 seconds each side before returning to center. Finally, let's perform light hip rotations, easing pressure on your lower back. While seated, gently rotate hips in small circles, clockwise, then counterclockwise. Perform 5 to 10 rotations each direction, focusing on smooth movements to release stiffness. Incorporating these stretches helps manage lower back pain. Stay consistent.
Let's prevent lower back pain with simple posture corrections and daily habits. Good posture is key to a healthy back and preventing discomfort. When sitting, keep your feet flat, back straight, and shoulders relaxed. Avoid slouching. Use a pillow for lumbar support to maintain your spine's natural curve. For standing, align your ears, shoulders, hips, and ankles in a straight line. Engage your core gently and distribute weight evenly to support your spine. Incorporate light walking. Swing arms naturally, head up, and take even steps. This strengthens back muscles, improves flexibility, and promotes better circulation. Practice these tips daily for a significant difference in comfort and well-being. Stay active and pain-free, and consult your doctor for personalized advice.
Eleanor Vance, and today we'll discuss a common issue affecting many of us, lower back pain. Understanding the intricate structure of our lower back is key to recognizing why discomfort and pain often arise in this crucial area. One primary culprit is poor posture, which places undue stress on your spinal discs and ligaments over time. Observe how maintaining a slouched position can misalign your spine, contrasting sharply with the natural, healthy curvature of good posture. Another significant factor is a sedentary lifestyle, where prolonged sitting weakens the muscles that support your spine. Extended periods of inactivity can lead to muscle imbalances, particularly in the hip flexors and glutes, directly impacting lower back stability. Finally, weak core muscles contribute significantly, as they are essential for stabilizing your trunk and protecting your lower back. A strong core acts as a natural corset, providing crucial support to your spine and preventing excessive strain during daily activities. By addressing these common causes through mindful posture, regular movement, and targeted exercises, you can significantly reduce your risk of lower back pain.